Have you always wanted to learn an instrument and play your favorite songs? Well, the kalimba, a modern version of the beautiful African mbira or thumb piano, is relatively easy to pick up. And learning to master one just got more fun with the Kalimba Go Smart Assistant. It's kind of like playing your favorite video game. The Kalimba Go unit features an intuitive touchscreen interface that quickly mounts to many popular 17-tine or key kalimbas. It has its own smart tuner function, so you don't have to bother with downloading third-party tuning apps. Best of all, enjoy Kalimba Go's built-in, ever-growing collection of musical tabs by connecting to the Kalimba Go Cloud Library and play the tunes that you want to learn. It intelligently breaks down complex music into learnable phrases. Playing one can even be a meditative experience, not only relaxing, but a form of stress relief. Maybe you're looking for that perfect gift for a loved one. Order your Kalimba Go today.
Getting really close here.
I've solved it!
Woo! Nice! Got it.
One last turn.
Ever get lost in the music? You turn up the volume, close your eyes, and let the beat take over your soul? Sometimes music's the only thing that gets your mind off of everything else. Get yourself lost with the world's first and only drum machine system that sounds 100% like acoustic drum sets. Air Tap Drums. With Air Tap Drums, you can become the legendary drummer you always wanted to be. Just buy and load your favorite band or artist drum pack, and Air Tap Drums will transform you into sounding like your favorite drummer. All you need to do is swing the Air Tap drumsticks through the air and hit anywhere you want on the colorful, brightly lit up UI screen drum heads. It's that easy. You can write your own drum licks with the audio DNA of the drumming legends, or you can jam on the Air Tap drums right along with your favorite bands. Experience the magic as you play and sound just like the drum sound of their song. With a little ambition, you can even start or join a band, write your own album quality drum compositions. Now you'll be ready to record in the studio without ever miking the drum set again. With Air Tap Drums, you're in 100% control. There are no time lights on the screen to follow to, just a brightly lit road into digital music's third dimension of the future. Air Tap Drums is out to change the world of how people perceive and approach playing the drums.